What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Just got back from the gym. Hit a little legs, not like a heavy leg day, just like I was gonna say heavy, but not a heavy leg day. A leg pump, if you will. So, gonna have my post-workout here. Got the old ground turkey, I think 7 ounces, 240 grams of rice. It's pretty nice right now. And believe it or not, I am on a miniature cut. I don't know if you've seen in my other videos, but I am on a miniature cut. It was for the summer. Also, thinking about prepping for a show soon. We'll see where that goes, but I'm gonna heat this up and eat. It's been a long day at work and the gym was rough. I don't know if you guys like struggle in the gym on Fridays, like seriously, because there's like 3 people in there. They're playing like 80s rock, but not classic rock, which I enjoy. Not that. They're playing like songs you never heard before. Headphones died, and it was legs. It was rough. It was rough. So I'm gonna eat, and then I think we're gonna go right into the topic of the day. But okay. But I'll catch you guys in a second. Just grabbed a shower, ate my post-workout, feeling super dead. I don't know if I told you guys yet, but I've been doing this like challenge to myself to get off caffeine because I noticed like if I don't hit the certain caffeine time period, like I used to have caffeine every day at 3 p.m. and now I'm realizing if I miss it, I get this huge headache and it sucks. So I was like, you know what, like this is about a month ago, I was like, you know what, let me start cutting back and let's cut out caffeine for a week, you know, so I can just kind of like a cleanse, I guess, not like hippy dippy cleanse, but like, let me just get off the caffeine for a minute. That way when I get back on, you know, the caffeine will actually work and I won't be so addicted. Cause like, I think the goal is eventually to go back, of course, but I think it's just good to do like an intermittent thing and like let the body rest a little bit. Cause I think caffeine, it's kind of like, you know, pre-workout. Like you don't want to have pre-workout all the time. Like you should definitely cycle on and cycle off of it. Something I want to do a little different tonight is I don't want to confine myself to just talking fitness. I want to also like be able to talk about life with you guys. Just because I see a lot of channels and what they do is like they kind of box themselves in. Well, some channels box themselves into like a corner, you know what I mean? It's like they just preach fitness, and then the next thing you know, like if they're not talking about fitness, like they're a hypocrite, no one wants to watch them, or like if they show you their car that they got or something they're excited about, like no one cares. They want the fitness tips and that's it. And like while those channels are cool, I like doing these videos because they're fun, and that's why I started. I started because I like to film and I like to edit, but I also like to educate people about fitness. I mean, that is, if you watch my first, almost fell. If you watch my first video, I mean, that is why I got started. I got started to let people know, you know, fitness things. Like, I don't want anyone to have to kind of like guess their way around like I had to do, you know, because this day and age, like you shouldn't have to. So I want to have all that content on my channel, but what I realized is, you know, like I said in I think my last video, one of my videos I mentioned it, you know, I like to go to other fitness pages and comment and like, you know, kind of like get my channel out there by word of mouth, but I do not beg people to watch and I do not beg people to subscribe, and I never will, because that doesn't make any sense. If you've ever read Tim Ferriss and how he talks about 1,000 true fans, you know what I'm talking about. But if you haven't, Google that. 1,000 true fans, Tim Ferriss, Google it, pull it up, see what I'm talking about. But like, I mean, you just get in this bad cycle anyways. You have a bunch of people that subscribe to you because they feel like they have to, you know? And then you have, you know, let's just say 100,000 subscribers and you get 1,000 views. That's why some channels out there are like that, you know? And in this day and age, it's really sad. Like, you can pay people to hire these Instagram bots or these YouTube bots and they just subscribe to your channel and you're like, but they're not real people, you know what I mean? And it's just it's an image thing. Like, well, if I have subscribers doesn't improve your algorithm, to my knowledge. To my knowledge, it's just how many people watch your videos, what's your click-through rate, what's the time, you know? I'm kind of like to circle back to my point. The whole point was, yes, I want to educate people on fitness, but I also I want to just be able to pick up the camera and just talk and just have a video. I was commenting on these videos and I've seen Athlete X and this other guy, Ryan something Hermisted. I don't know, I'm probably butchering it. And they're cool, they're great, but it's just it's all business. There's no play, you know what I mean? And they've backed themselves into that corner. Now if they show their personal life, one has 10 million subscribers, the other has 500,000. It's too late. From channels that I've analyzed, not crazy, but I've seen car channels. I love watching people do stuff with cars. Once they back themselves into the corner of we're gonna get on the channel, I'm gonna show you how to do this with the car, and then we're gonna get off. And then when they try to show you a different aspect of their life, say lifting. I've actually seen a kid try to do this where he got 400,000 subscribers doing stuff with cars, and then he decided that he wanted to, branch out and show people his fitness journey, because some of the commenters were asking, and his channel wasn't doing very well. But that's because the subscribers weren't expecting that. They only want car content, and I feel if he would have started out in the beginning, doing car stuff, but also doing daily vlogs, then people wouldn't have reacted badly to it, So I guess, long story short here, I don't want to back myself into a corner, and I found myself backing myself into a corner. I only have 63 subs right now. And it's crazy the amount of influence other channels have on you, and if you're not careful, what it can do, because I even found myself, I was watching, you watch these guys, the two that I mentioned, Ryan and Athlete X, and you're wow, they have so many subs, that's what I want. And then it's is it what you want? You know what I mean? And at the end of the day, it's not. That's not what I want. I don't want to chase subs, and I don't want to back myself into that corner of fitness only. So tonight I really just wanted to talk to you about that, honestly. That was it. I just wanted to just say that, just share with you guys. If you're new, welcome to the channel. This is me, this is what we're about, doing it here. That's really it, guys. That's my message for today. So that's gonna be it for me today, guys. Please smash the like button if you enjoyed the video. Be sure to leave a comment down below if you made it this far, because that means a lot to me that you made it this far and you watched the entire video. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notifications bell so you don't miss any of my new upcoming content. And I will see you guys in the next one.